Mardi Gras Magic, Real Estate Revelry with Jacquelyn Butler Homes. 2A, February 13, 2024. Step into the vibrant world of Mardi Gras, and discover a real estate adventure like no other with Jacquelyn Butler Homes. As the festive spirit of Fat Tuesday fills the air, join us for a celebration that blends the excitement of Mardi Gras with the thrill of finding your dream home. During this joyful occasion, we'll explore how the lively energy and rich culture of Mardi Gras can influence your real estate journey. From discovering neighborhoods alive with music and charm to uncovering communities bursting with color and character, we'll show you how to infuse your home search with the essence of this iconic celebration. But that's not all. Learn how the principles of celebration and abundance that define Mardi Gras can inspire your approach to buying, selling, or investing in real estate. Discover how to seize opportunities, embrace new beginnings, and make bold decisions with confidence, all while embracing the joy and spontaneity of the Mardi Gras spirit. At Jacquelyn Butler Homes, we're committed to turning your real estate dreams into a celebration to remember. Contact us today to embark on your own Mardi Gras-inspired real estate adventure. Visit JacquelynButler.search.com. Email us at JacquelynButlerHomes@gmail.com, or give us a call at 214-919-0024 or 214-325-3155.